Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of 2-hour woodcraft ideas, weekend projects for quick profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the ever-shifting landscape of modern craftsmanship, there is a rising movement that blends artistry, efficiency, and entrepreneurship in powerful ways, welcoming a new generation of makers into a vibrant space where they can offer practical, durable, and beautiful wooden creations. At the heart of this revolution lies the concept of 2-hour woodcrafts, simple yet impactful projects that can be brought to life in a single weekend and turned into tangible profits. These quick builds don't just serve as casual hobbies, they're doorways to independence, expressions of self-worth, and practical solutions that cater to the needs of real people seeking authenticity in a disposable world. For both seasoned woodworkers and ambitious beginners, there's something deeply empowering about transforming raw timber into something useful and visually appealing within just a couple of hours. These projects don't require industrial workshops, vast budgets, or months of planning. They simply require intention, a creative mindset, and a willingness to shape something from your own two hands. Weekend woodworking has become more than just a pastime, it's a lifestyle. In a culture where time is precious and speed is often equated with value, the idea of creating a saleable, high-quality wooden product in 2 hours is no longer far-fetched. It's an exciting and achievable goal. From small shelf units and spice racks to phone holders, candle trays, or rustic coat hangers, these projects represent a powerful fusion of functionality and charm. What makes this space especially compelling is the accessibility it offers. You don't need to be a master woodworker or own a professional workshop to get started. With minimal tools and materials, often even reclaimed or leftover wood, anyone can join this growing wave of quick, meaningful craftsmanship. And that's what sets this movement apart. It lowers the barrier to entry while raising the ceiling of possibility. But beyond efficiency, there's a beating heart at the center of these 2-hour creations. Every finished piece tells a story, not just of utility, but of care, attention, and a deeply human instinct to make and to share. Wood, as a material, offers a kind of grounding presence. Its texture and grain remind us of nature's rhythm and permanence. And when woodworkers breathe new life into it through thoughtful crafting, the resulting pieces bring that same groundedness into homes, offices, and everyday spaces. This is why even the smallest handmade item can stand out in a marketplace saturated with mass-produced plastic alternatives. There's soul in the grain, and buyers can feel it. The demand for unique, handmade wooden items continues to grow, especially from audiences who crave meaningful decor and functional items that reflect intentional living. These quick projects tap directly into that desire. For creators, it's not just about the finished piece, it's about what the process gives back. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional satisfaction of completing a project in 2 hours offers an instant reward that fuels continued exploration. It's a creative loop that generates confidence, consistency, and often surprising innovation. The more makers engage in these projects, the more they begin to refine their sense of style and skill. They also begin to understand the delicate balance between speed, quality, and profitability, lessons that serve them well if they decide to take their hobby to the next level as a small business. What makes the 2-hour craft model particularly powerful is its profitability potential. Unlike large-scale furniture pieces or lengthy commissions, these quick crafts have a low overhead cost and a fast turnaround. They can be sold at local craft markets, online stores, or even through casual social media platforms where the warmth of a personal story and a handmade item can move audiences. For many woodworkers, this becomes a reliable source of weekend income that helps support their families or fund more ambitious projects. It also becomes a form of self-employment that feels both purposeful and sustainable. You're not just selling a thing, you're offering something that adds value, beauty, and thoughtfulness to another person's life. In many ways, this creative space becomes a kind of refuge, a workshop of resilience where woodworkers can unplug from digital noise, step into tactile reality, and build something real. These projects don't just fill physical spaces, they fulfill emotional needs. There's a calm that comes from working with wood, a clarity that arises when your hands and mind are in sync, shaping something that once seemed too plain or too rough into a polished, purposeful item. And it's this piece, combined with profit and pride, that continues to draw new makers into the fold. The momentum behind 2-hour woodworking crafts speaks to a larger cultural shift as well, away from overconsumption and toward thoughtful, handmade goods. In this way, quick woodworking projects become part of a greater ecosystem of mindful living and small-scale sustainability. They allow us to reuse, repurpose, and reinvent wood that might have otherwise been discarded, giving it new life and meaning. And in doing so, they also allow the makers to rediscover their own sense of usefulness and agency. There is, undeniably, something revolutionary about turning a Saturday afternoon into a moment of artistic clarity and financial gain. It's the kind of simplicity that feels profound, because it reminds us that we don't need to wait for a perfect time or massive investment to start something beautiful. The world of 2-hour wood crafts is a quiet revolution. It offers the chance to build more than objects. It offers the chance to build a life, a small business, a rhythm of creation that feeds both the spirit and the bank account. In a fast-paced world, slowing down to build something by hand, even quickly, is an act of rebellion and renewal. And as more creators find their way into this space, the future of woodworking is being carved one thoughtful, quick, beautiful piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 2-hour woodcraft ideas, weekend projects for quick profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.